Good afternoon, everyone. Let us start our lesson now. Today we'll go to the second lessons for Chapter 7, Linear Programming. Okay, so for our previous lessons, we learned about how to form the mathematical models or the inequalities. Okay, this is what we've been learned already. We have learned about the constraints, inequality. Constraints are we write in the sentence. Okay, inequality we try write in the inequality. Then the mathematical model is almost same with the constraint. Then today we are going to learn about the rest of it. Okay, this is the example for the linear programming. So you've been learning it for the Form 4 topic mathematics chapter 6. Okay, so we look at this. What is the satisfactory or the shadow regions by the linear inequality? Okay, now it gives you two inequalities. Why? When we will start to use the bigger or smaller. Okay, the bigger, smaller, you'll be learned already, right? So this one bigger, so which one, the dark color one or the light color one is bigger or smaller? How you're going to know it? So what we need to do is you have to know the value for this one. This means bigger, this means smaller. Okay, bigger or same, smaller or same. Then for this one, bigger or smaller, then we use a solid line. Okay, this is the solid line. Then when we use the dot line, when we use the dot line when we don't have the equal, it's bigger, either equal or smaller only. Not equal, it means that not including the line, not including this line, this region not including, so it's use the dot line. Okay, then when we use the dash line or we use the solid line, it's equal. Okay, we use the equal, so including this line. Okay, so for bigger, how are we going to know whether the line is bigger or smaller? Okay, we will move. So what I always do is I put a ruler. I put a ruler here. If the questions why bigger, then I will move up. So move up. The region move up is the bigger. Then when it's smaller, okay, I will move down like this. Okay. Then this one also bigger, move up. Then smaller, move down. Okay. Then for these questions, I would like you to look at this question. This is y equal to x. This line is y equal to x. Okay, this line is y equal to x. What is the mistake for these questions? The mistake for this question is when you do the labeling, this one no error. Don't put the error here. Don't put the error here. Okay, positive, negative, positive, negative. Okay, if at the middle like this, then this is y equal to x. Then another one is y smaller than negative x. So, okay. Which one is the region for y smaller than x? Up or down? This means smaller kan, kecil kan? Kecil, so you have to move down. Okay, you can put your ruler, then you move down. Okay, this one means smaller. Then another one is bigger. So from here you know the region here, this is y smaller than x, and this region is y bigger than x, whole regions. Okay, then this one also. Then up, up and down. Okay, one mistake I done. This one got equal or not? This is a dash line, right? Solid line, so it's bigger or equal, smaller or equal. Don't forget. Okay, then this one, y minus x. Okay, bigger, go up, right? Go up, so bigger. But this one don't have the bigger or equal, because this is a dot line, dot line don't have equal. Okay, then this is another side is smaller, minus s. Okay, then I would like to ask you a question. If the question give you s equal to y, let's say this is the equation s equal to y. Can I say that, okay, this region is bigger, right? Teacher said this bigger. So I just put x, y bigger. Can do this or not? This is correct or wrong? Correct or wrong? Yes, wrong. Why? Because you remember y must put at the left hand side. Y cannot be at the right hand side. Left hand side, y always have the left hand side or at the front, or left hand side. Okay, x it doesn't matter lah, suka hati kamu. X you want to put at the left or right is up to you. The important is y must be at the left hand side. Okay, and another one you need to remember is y must be positive at left hand side. Y cannot be negative at left hand side. Okay, these two things. Remember, the first one is y must be at the left hand side. Second thing is y must be positive. Okay, it's very important. Okay, so now we go to this question. Here, this line. What is this line? What is the equation for this line? What is the equation for this line? And what is the equation for this line? And when you label the equations, the straight line, you cannot use bigger or smaller. You have to use equal to, equals, equals, because the line is equal. So this one is what equal to what? Y equal to 0 or s equal to 0. Okay, this line, s equal to 0 or y equal to 0. As what I told you before, to determine the line, we have to know the line pass through which axis. Okay, dia potong, he cut through which axis, intersect with which axis. It cut through the x-axis, right? Dia cut through x, not y equal to 0. It's cut through x. It cut through x at 0. So it means that this equation is x equal to 0. Okay, x equal to 0. Then how about this line? This line, what is the equation for this line? This line is cut to, it cut to y-axis. Dia potong y-axis. It's potong, it's cut to y-axis. Then it's cut at the 0. So this equation is y equal to 0. Okay, you don't do the mistake. Okay, the first one and second one. Okay, now tell me what is this region? This region is x bigger or equal to 0, because right hand side, you remember this is just like a number line. 0 go right hand side positive, 0 go left hand side negative. It is a, if the situations, if the graph is a vertical line. So kalau dia left hand side, then your inequality will be x smaller or equal to 0. Okay, go to left, smaller. Then this one also is go up. Okay, go up. Then it will be y. This is y equal to 0, right? Y bigger or equal to 0. Go up. It's go up. You can move your, you can put your ruler here. You can put a ruler here. Then you move up. Oh, move up is positive. If move down, then this is negative. Okay. Then if go down, y smaller or equal to 0. Okay. This is all revision. So, okay, now tell me what is this equations. This equation step to what? X or y. S equal to or y equal to. Electrical x or y. The line cut with which axis? Dia potong axis mana? Is cut at x-axis. Dia potong x. Dia tak ada potong y. So this is x equal to the number. Dia potong pada nombor apa? At this number, this line, x always equal to 3. Okay, x equal to 3. Okay, tell me what is the inequality for this shaded region? This is x smaller or bigger, less or equal. Okay, less or equal to 3. Okay, and also the equation for this one, cut at 2. Then the line cut y-axis. It cut y. So this equation is y equal to negative 2. Y equal to negative 2. Then this equality is y less than, okay, less than negative 3. Cannot be less or equal because this is a dot line. Okay, good. Then we continue. Look at this question, example 2a. Shed the region. Shed the regions for x plus 2y smaller than 4. Okay, for this question is very easy because it's give you the equations already. It formed the equations for you already. So this equation is x plus 2y equal to 4. This line. Okay, so now smaller, less, right? Less. So which one is the shaded region? Up or down? Down, yes. Go down. Smaller is go down. So how you going to shade your region? Correct or not? Can I shade like this? Done. Correct or wrong? Wrong. Why? Whole area. Okay. Salah. Kenapa salah? You cannot shade properly semua bahagian. Okay, whole part under the straight line. Okay, jangan sikit saja macam tu. Okay, remember, shade your region properly. Okay, then next question. How about this question? So you see the question like this, So it's smaller, Teacher says smaller go down, Okay, this one smaller go down. Am I right? You are wrong. Why? As what I told you, left must be left hand side. And yes, it's left hand side, but the problem is the value for y, how come it's negative? I told you already, y must be at the left hand side and y must be positive. Okay, these two criteria you must remember. So if you do this, then you wrong already, sorry. Then all your 10 marks you gone later. Okay, because this is a long questions. Okay, then if you do this, then you wrong already. How you going to do? You have to move it to another side first. Okay, x plus 2y. Okay, do this first. Then 2y x minus 4. Okay, 2y x minus 4. Then you change the sign, left to right, right to left again. So 2y, so this one is bigger, right? More or equal x minus 4. Do in this form. Okay, then check y left hand side now and y positive. Okay, done. So from here you see your y is more or less. Your y is more, right? More or equal. Okay, so this equation you can just copy, then change the inequality to equals. But when you shade the region, you have to shade properly more. Okay, this is the regions for this one. Okay, next questions. Okay, now he wants you to state the inequalities of the shaded region. Okay, now it didn't give you the inequality. For questions 2, it give you the inequalities, right? Or it give you the constraint or the mathematical models. But now it don't give you inequality. He give you the shaded region. Ask you to form the inequalities of the shaded region. How you going to do this? So from here, this question is very easy because it's at the middle, right? The middle of x-axis and y-axis. So you know this question is x equal to y. You don't write x equal to y, later you do wrongly. You don't write, we write y equal to x. Y equal to x. Okay, if you put x equal to y, then later you inequality, then you put wrong. Remember, y must be at left hand side. Okay, y equal to x. Then this region, you don't write your answer y equal to x. Is y what? More or less. This is more, right? More. Y more got equal, not equal, because this is a dot line. This is a dot line. This is a dot line. So we don't have equal, so it's y bigger than x. Okay, this region is y bigger than x. Okay, can follow? You know why y must be at the left hand side? Because we follow the y equal to ms plus c. Okay, for straight line, this is the equations, right? Y always at the left hand side, and remember, y must be positive. We follow this trend. Then we now go to 3b. Okay, he give you this equation. Okay, it give you the equations of the straight line. Give you the equation of the straight line. So teacher say go down is less, right? So what is your answer? Am I right? Less or equal to 4 minus 2y. Am I right? Is it correct? The answer is wrong. No. Why? Because, as what I told you already, y must be positive. So from here, you need to change. This one move to the front. So it becomes 2y equal to 4 minus x. Or if you write 2y plus x equal to 4, no problem. Or you write y plus 2y equal to 4, also can. All correct. Okay, and another form is you change into the y equal to divide by 2, divide by 2, divide by 2, negative 1 over 2x plus 2, also can. Semua betul. Keempat-empat ini betul. All of this correct. But the important is, you see, y must be at the left hand side and y must be positive. Okay, so all the answer will be correct. Then your answer is x plus 2y or 2y plus x. What? Now is smaller or equal than 4. Less or equal than 4. This one only correct. Okay, understand? Can follow? If you want to put, okay, 2y less than minus x plus 4, also can. Understand, Then we go to the next questions. 3c. Okay, now state the inequality of the shaded region. What is the inequality now? You know, go up, this one is bigger, right? But what is the inequality? The questions didn't give you the equation of the straight line. How? Is it the questions wrong? No, the questions didn't wrong. The questions, it wants you to form the equations by yourself. So we have to choose two. From the graph, from the diagram, we have to know what is the coordinate. We have to get two coordinates. Then we have to substitute into the equations. You have the equation y equal to ms plus c, m equal to y2 minus y1 over s2 minus s1, or you simply look at the triangle, get a lot of method, but I don't show you I show you one method only. Y minus, okay, for example, y1 over x minus x1 equal to the gradient m. M is what? y2 minus y1 over s2 minus x1. I just use this I just use this formula to find out the value. Okay, so the first coordinate, this coordinate, you don't label wrongly, still got student label 2 0. How come, I wonder? Okay, x is 0, y is 2. Okay, so another one, 4, x is 4, y is 0. Okay, 0 2 and 4 0. Okay, let's say this is s1, this is y1, then this is s2, this is y2. So equations, y minus y1, y minus 2, x minus x1, x minus 0. So again, 2 minus 0 over 0 minus 4. So you get y minus 2 over x equal to 2 over negative 2 over 4. Then you simplify 1, 2. After this, what to do? Do the cross multiplications. Okay? 2 move to the front. 2 y minus 2 equal to, then this one negative 1, negative 1x. Okay, I don't move the negative 2 to the front because I want the y to be positive. So you get 2y minus 4 equal to negative x. 2y equal to 4 minus x, or 2y plus x equal to 4. So from here, this one is bigger, right? More. So your answer is 2y more or equal than 4 minus x. So this is your answer. Okay? Understand? Next questions. Good. So we go to the next questions. Example 4. Represent the inequality graphically. How are we going to represent it graphically? So now it gives you inequality. They want you to show your inequalities here. It means that it wants you to draw the straight line and shade the region. Shade the region. Okay, we look at the first one. So how are we going to do this? This one we need to find the coordinate. This one very easy one. So you see how I'm going to do this? We can put x plus 2y equal to 4. Okay, we make it into the equation first. Then because for straight line we need only 2 points, right? 2 points, we need to find 2 coordinates. The first one always start with 0. S equal to 0, y equal to what? When s equal to 0, then you can, what I always ask students to do is, I ask you to close this one. S equal to 0, so this one 0, so we tutup lah. Okay, we close it. So now you only left 2y equal to 4. So y equal to 4 over 2 lah. So this one equal to, so your y equal to 2 lah. So now, another one is 0, 2. So your first equation is 0, 2 lah. You mark it down first. Mark it first. 0, 2. Don't label wrongly. Don't label 2, 0. This one the basic basic knowledge must know. Okay. Then next one. Next one is y equal to 0 lah. You put y equal to 0. Put y equal to 0. Then you y now is 0 lah. Y becomes 0. So your s equal to. Yes, your s equal to 4. So you plot your another coordinate 4, 0. Okay, 4, 0. Okay, understand? Is it easy? Very easy, right? So done already. Then you have to use your straight line. Don't use your free hand. Use your ruler. Use straight line to label it. Okay, to label it from this point to this point. Okay, then I label s plus 2y smaller than 4. Correct or not? I done 2 mistakes. What is the 2 mistakes I done? Anyone can tell me what is my mistake? Okay, the first mistake is this line too short. The lines cannot be as short as this one. You must extend to the whole graph. Okay, the first mistake. Okay, dah boleh macam tu. So mesti extend. Okay, extend to whole graph. Okay, extend properly. Okay, extend to the whole graph. Okay, then what is the second mistake? Second mistake is the labeling for this graph, for labeling for the straight line cannot be smaller. Tak boleh pakai ini. Kamu kena pakai equal. Okay, you have to use equal. Okay, equal. Okay, sama dengan equal, because we label for the equations of the straight line. Okay, equation of straight line. Then why is dot line? When you label, you must label dot line, because it's smaller. It don't have less or equal, It ada equal. Kalau dia ada equal, okay, dash line, solid line. But now it don't have equal, so it's a dot line, Okay, this is a dot line. So after this, we label. Then make sure you see y must be left hand side and y must be positive. Okay, all done. So it means that the inequality will be, the region will be less. Less is go down. Go down. Label properly, label full. Okay, understand? Okay, clear? Very clear, right? Good. So we continue. Okay, try this one. We represent it graphically again. Okay, so the first step is, okay, x minus 2y equal to negative 4. Okay, we do this. Then the second step, x, y. Okay, again, I borrow this. Yeah, sorry. So now the first one, I want to find s equal to 0, y equal to what? Okay, s equal to another one, y equal to 0, s equal to what? Okay, the first, okay, s equal to 0. Okay, so now to x, s equal to 0, y equal to what? Y equal to minus 4 over minus 2. So y equal to 2. Okay, then another one. When y equal to 0, s equal to what? S equal to negative 4. Negative 4. It's very easy, right? You just tutup dia lah, pakai you punya jari lah, use your finger. Okay, so you get two coordinates. The first one is 0, 2. Mark it, 0, 2. Then the second one, negative 4, 0. Okay, negative 4, 0, negative 4. Don't mark wrongly. Positive, negative, tengok bye-bye. Okay, then after this, we have to draw the line. We have to draw a straight line here. The straight line, you look at the symbol, is more or equal. So equal, we have to use the solid line. So you have to use your solid line. Use your solid line. Okay, this is your solid line. Draw properly. This is the line. Okay, then how you going to do your labeling? The label is, this line is x minus 2y equal to negative 4. Okay, then okay, now the answer, is it here? Because more, correct or not? More or less? Correct or wrong? The answer is, if you label upward, then you're wrong already. I already mentioned many times. The answer is, you see this, it cannot be in this form, right? Okay, this one you have to change first. S minus 2y bigger than negative 4. So this one negative, change side. So it will become 2y to the right hand side. Then negative 4 move to the front. Okay, so now you get 2y, terbalikkan, 2y smaller than s plus 4. So it's less or equal. So your answer is less. Okay, if you label upward, then you're wrong. Okay, understand? Understand, right? Then we continue one more question. We look at this example. Okay, now I want you to check the regions that satisfy three inequality. 3 bahagian. Three inequality. Give you 3 inequality. Then how you going to check the region? It give you a graph only. So from here, you need to do it one by one. Labeling. The first one, you need to label first. This is the first equation. Second and third. Okay, so for the first one, x smaller than 5. So from here you need to draw the equation for x equal to 5. Where is x equal to 5? X at 6. X at 6, cut at 5. Cut at x at 6, 5. Bukan sini It's cut at x at 6, cut at 5. So it's a vertical line. Vertical line, okay? So it will be a vertical line. This one. So you must draw a vertical line here. Cut through the s at 6 at 5. Okay? Cut through s at 6 at 5. Now we draw the line first. Okay? S equal to 5. Okay, where is solid? Because less or equal. Then the second one. Okay, then the second one, s plus y more or equal to 4. So you need to draw the equations for s plus y equal to 4. S plus y equal to 4, how are you going to draw this? You have to use this method. xy lah. Okay, s equal to 0, y equal to 4. Y equal to 0, s equal to 4. So you need to label 0, 4 and 4, 0. Okay, then this one also a solid line. So we have to we draw another solid line. This one. And remember, you don't stop here. This one must extend. Okay, must extend. It will be 5 lah. It will cut through at 5. Okay, you can add another one to confirm the intersection point. Okay, you can cut at another one to confirm the intersection point. Hold on. Okay, you can cut at another one. Let's say if s equal to 5, s equal to 5, then y equal to what? -1. So correct, it will be cut at -1. Okay, you have to determine, double check. Then the third one, remember to label it. This line is s plus y equal to 4. Then another line, another equations, y smaller, y less than x. So y equal to 4. Y equal to x, sorry, y equal to x. What is the line for y equal to x? Tengah-tengah kan? If you not sure, kalau you tak pasti, you boleh pakai buat macam ini lah. Okay, sy. X equal to 0, if you not sure lah, you can draw like this. S equal to 0, y equal to 0, then s equal to 5, y equal to, s equal to 5, y equal to 5 also, y. Then you make your another straight line lah. Where is your straight line? Then this is a dot line. You know why? Because it don't have equal. It's only less. So this is your another line. So okay, label also. Remember to label. This is y equal to x. So after we label these three, so from here, yeah, I know you almost know already lah, which part. If you're not sure, then we can do this one by one lah. So this line, first line, okay, first line, less than 5. Less than 5 is the right hand side lah. We have a lot of method you can tick. I believe your mathematics teacher already teach you how to do this. Okay, you can label at the left or what, or you can bottom or what. Okay, so it will be the left hand side because left lah. So another one, bigger, y bigger, y bigger. This is second equation, bigger. Okay, left. Okay, it will be a left. Okay, then the last one, y smaller. This one, this y equation, this equation smaller, then it will be at this side. So intersect at which point? Intersect here lah. Intersect here. So your answer, when you label, you have to label properly lah. Okay, then ini kena padangkan, So you cannot left your answer with the dot at the side. Kena padangkan lah. So do it carefully. So your label, your shader region, label it with R. Okay, so you label it already, then it will be R. Okay. Then another way is you can use the ruler lah. You can use your ruler to move. If it's smaller, then it's for example, you use your ruler to move. For the first one, for the second one, x plus y. Take this one, y equal to x is smaller, so it's go down, go up like this. Okay, you can use your ruler to help you to figure out the inequalities. Okay. So we go to the another example. Okay, one more example today. Yes. Okay, the diagram shows the three linear inequality. Now the questions give you the three linear inequality. It show you lah. Then it wants you to stack up. It give you the graph. Then it wants you to form it out. So how are you going to do this? So we have to form it one by one by using the coordinate. What is the coordinate? First one, second one, third one. Let's say this is coordinate A, this is coordinate B, and this is coordinate C. Okay, coordinate A equal to 4, 10. Coordinate B, 10, 0. Coordinate C, 2, 2. Okay, now you have A, B, C. Then we have to form the three equations. So what is the equations for AB? AB, use your y minus 0, y minus 0 over s minus 10. Then what is the gradient? 10 minus 0 over 4 minus 10. Okay, then you continue, you get your equation is, you continue do yourself, then you will get 3y equal to minus 5s plus 50. Okay, then we see this, the first inequality. Then this one is going down, going down, right? Going down, so it's less. Okay, less or equal negative 5x plus 50. So this is the first inequality. Okay, then we do the second one. Then we do the BC lah. Okay, the inequality for BC, y minus 0. Okay, y minus 0 over s minus 10 equal to 2 minus 0, 2 minus 10. Then continue, you will get the inequality for y equal to minus s plus 10. So it's 4y. Then this one is go up, right? Go up, so it's bigger or equal to minus s plus 10. Second inequality. Then now we go to the third one. We go to the AC. Okay, do the same thing. y minus 2 over x minus 2 equal to 10 minus 2 over 4 minus 2. So continue, you will get your answer y equal to 4x minus 6. So your inequality, this one going down, so it's less, less or equal to 4x minus 6. So you get your 3 inequalities already lah. So now we go to the B. Okay, we look at these questions. Given that the x and y are integers, okay, state the numbers of solution. The question say x and y must be integers. Integers mean what? Okay, anyone can tell me what means for integers here? Nombor pula. So it can be fractions or decimals. No fraction, no decimals. It must be integer, whole number. So the number of solutions which satisfy the region is mean that is all the coordinate inside lah. The value for x and y. So this one can or not? Yes, this is the first point. Okay, the first point. So the number of solutions, we set all the coordinate that fulfill the conditions. The first one is 2, 2. Okay. Then how about this one? This one can or not? No, this side no, because this f is located at 1 point something, right? So this decimal no, double it, because the questions one integer. So we only accept all the integer. This one, yes. Okay, this one including. So you get another. So you get 4, 2, 4, 4, 4, 6, 4, 8, and 4, 10. Okay, then continue. This one no. 1, 2, 3. 3 more. So now is 6, 2, 6, 4, and 6, 6. Okay, then continue. This one no. 1. This one 1 only lah. So it's 8, 2, and the last one. This one yes or not? Yes. Dia pada garis itu pun boleh. Either is located at the line or inside the region. But if this line is dot line, then cannot lah. But because it's solid line, right? Solid, so including. If dot line cannot, so the last one is 10, 0. Then you count the total. You have how many coordinate? The numbers of solutions equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 numbers of solutions. Okay. So I think we stop here today. Hold on.